Okay, so let's start today's topic as we have left yesterday in our previous video that why does the current flow. So today I'm going to give you the answer that why does the current flow. So basically there is a current flow is because of this thing that is known as potential difference, or we can say what is electric potential, how this potential and potential difference makes any sense for flowing the current, okay, from one place to another. So I will come to one illustration first. Have you seen this setup? I'm talking about the first setup here. This first setup, as you can see here, in this first setup you can see we are having one tank here and we are having one open tank here. So what happens whenever the water flows from this tank to this tank, it will flow automatically. So from, we can say, from A to B, it will flow automatically to the downward direction. But is it possible that this water can move by its own to the tank at the height? So answer is no. Why? What is the procedure you follow generally to fill the tank which is kept there at the roof? So answer is we use motors. Okay, so water motor is there. When we switch on, the water motor will push this water from this lower level to the higher level. Mark my words, lower level to the higher level. So motor is doing that work to push the water from lower level to the higher level, while there is no force required to keep the water flowing from higher level to the lower level, because it is at high level and it is at low level. Similarly, as we see that in the second diagram, as you can see here we are having a battery or a cell. So positive is there and negative is there. What is the meaning of positive and negative? We know that positive represents high level, negative represents low level. So whenever we attach a wire in this, so current will start flowing from high level to low level. And as you can see here, so current will start flowing from positive to negative. If we attach a bulb here, so bulb will start glowing. This is your bulb, a symbol of bulb. So we can say whenever the current flows, automatically the current will flow from positive to negative. But how this high level is created? As we know, here we are using the water level, but in this, how this high level is created? So now come back to our slides. We will see here that what is the meaning of that level difference. So that is known as basically electric potential. As you can see here on your screen, electric potential is that word. So basically it is defined as amount of work done in bringing a unit positive charge from infinity. Yes, it's true. So whenever you bring any charge, from infinity to a particular point, it is known as electric potential, and this is how potential difference is created. So you can see here potential difference. Now potential difference is what? See, if you are moving a charge from A to B, okay, you are moving a charge from A to B, then you have to apply some force. Why? Because B have automatically its own force, its own field, we can say. Now come back to the illustration. Suppose that we are having here one magnet. Okay, this is one magnet, this is one north pole, and this is the south pole. So if you bring another magnet closer to this pole, you have to apply more force, you have to apply the work. Remember, class 9th you studied force into displacement is known as work. So you have to apply the force on this magnet if you want to bring the magnet closer to the first magnet. Okay, that is where you do the work. But as soon as you release the second magnet, you will just leave it. It will move apart. Why? Because both the poles repel each other. Similarly, here also, when we are moving this charge from A to B or B to A, then you have to apply the force. And when you apply the force, their potential becomes high. There the level increases high. As you can see here, as you are moving the water from B to A, it is at higher level. Okay, as you are moving the charge, you are moving the charge from negative to positive. You are creating a high level. And that is why when you leave it, then the charge will automatically come from high level to lower level. Okay, so this is how it actually works. So basically we can come to the definition of potential difference, that amount of work done in bringing a positive charge from one point to another point is known as potential difference. And this is the importance of potential difference, that if there is no potential difference, there will be no movement of charge, and there will be no flow of current, because movement of charge is known as current. So basically you need potential difference. And how potential difference is created? By doing the work. By doing the work. If you don't do the work, potential difference will not be created. So it is because of potential difference current starts flowing, or we can say when charge move, then current starts flowing. So the formula we can write here, that potential is equal to work done. We are doing the work done on what? We are doing the work done on charge. So potential formula is V is equal to W by Q. Okay. Now the units. For work done we are using the unit that is joules, and for charge we are using the unit joule per coulomb. Commonly the unit is, we can write here, volts. Okay, so commonly the unit is volts. As you can see here, it is a unit is written there, volts, and the device which is used for measuring the volts or potential difference is known as voltmeter. So this is some points. These are the some of the points regarding potential difference. Now as we have understood about the current, we have understood about the potential difference. So we know that potential difference is the reason, because of that reason current starts flowing. Next video we will discuss, or we can say, how potential difference and current both are related to each other and which law actually defines them. Thank you.